The day is finally here. The day is finally here. We got the PS5. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys, show you what's coming in the box, how the system looks like, and I'm gonna compare it to my PlayStation 4. Let's get it.
Do-do-do, 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 Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
All right, so first off, let me go ahead and give you guys a disclaimer. I'm not cool enough. Sony did not send this to me. I had to purchase this with my own money on Amazon. So here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Get my little knife here. Ooh. Now I gotta lay it down for this portion. This part's a little tricky. The box came a little ripped on the bottom as well. There we go. Let me go ahead and toss this to the side. Now, actually, really quick before I put this away, right here it shows 8K, 4K 120, HDR compatible. So we gotta see about that 8K and that 4K 120. We gotta test that out. And yes, I am wearing my Miles Morales Spider-Man costume in honor of Miles Morales coming out on the PlayStation 5. So, and I didn't have this just laying around. This is my Halloween costume. All right. Let's go ahead and unbox. Now we have another box within a box. All right, the first thing we get is the user manual. Let's go ahead and toss that to the side. Then we get we get a safety guide. Let's go ahead and toss that to the side. We get the power cable. No power brick, just a power cable. Now I have to check and see if this is the same one. Oops, I just dropped it. I have to see if this is the same one that the PS4 uses or not. I would just rather just use that one. But if not, I'll have to use this one. If you guys know, let everybody know in the comments. The next thing we get, and I'm sorry I don't have another view, I'm kind of limited on cameras here. We do get the DualShock 5. Let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys. And if you haven't seen my DualShock, I keep saying DualShock, DualSense review, unboxing, then I'm gonna go ahead and link it up somewhere here so you guys can check it out. And here is the DualSense, the controller for the PlayStation 5. All right. Now we gotta take this off, toss it. I'm making a mess over here. Looks like we get the stand. I hope you guys can see well. I'm trying my best over here. We get the stand. I'll have to mess with that and see how that goes in the PlayStation. We get a Type-C to USB connection to charge the controller. It's pretty cool. The actual DualSense controller does not come with a cable at all. So at least they provided one in the box. Now you have the HDMI, I believe 2.1. So with this HDMI is the only one that you're gonna be able to get those high frame rates in that 4K with high frame rates. If you don't have one of these HDMI, I believe it's 2.1. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. You can't get the high frame rates. So you're gonna have to go with one of these for this next gen. All right, let me go ahead and toss that to the side. What else do you get in here? Oh, you get a couple of different things actually. For some reason, you get a half-used deodorant stick. You get a measuring tape for some reason. Okay, I guess they want you to measure the PS5. A half full water bottle. Thanks, Sony, for keeping it positive. And it looks like a banana. All All right, they want us to eat our fruits and keep our potassium up. That's great. All right, so now the moment you guys been waiting for, let's go ahead and unbox the PlayStation 5. I gotta lay this down to do this. And right off the bat, I can see it's a big boy. Let me go ahead and set that to the side. Hope you guys can see that there. Set that to the side, and it's heavy. It is heavy, and it is a big console. So let's go ahead and take off the wrapper, and there we have it. I am trying to be as gentle as can be with that console, but there it is, guys. PlayStation 5. There you go. Now we're going to try to zoom it in a little bit, and so you guys can see the comparison here. But let's go ahead, and this is my PlayStation 4. There's a comparison right there. Let me get out of the way so you guys can actually see the difference there. That is a huge difference. It's a big console. This one is pretty heavy. I mean, it's not that big. It's pretty heavy, but once you get to something like this, this is heavy. This is a big console right here. Now, I did go with the disc version because the all digital version was sold out everywhere. And when I went to go order, I just picked whatever was there. And this one was the one that, came up for me. I wanted to do the all digital because this generation, I kind of want to go all digital, but now I'm kind of happy that I went with the disc one. Well, I was forced to go with the disc one because, you never know. You never know if you want to get a disc or if you want to play the 4K Blu-ray, Ultra Max, Super, whatever thing that they have. So, and you won't be able to see it, but there is small little engravings on the inside of this plastic that has the PlayStation symbols, so that's pretty cool. One thing I can tell you right off the bat is I'm not a fan of this glossy black middle part. I would have much rather had a matte black finish. Maybe there's like a sticker or something that I need to remove, but I don't think so. But I'm not a huge fan of it. Personally, I would have preferred matte black. On the front here, you do have the eject button and a power button. You also have a USB Type-C and a standard USB port. I believe that should be 3.0. Not sure. You do have the little PlayStation symbol there on the back. You have two USB 3.0, Ethernet port, HDMI, and power port. That's about it. And this is a security lock port right here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but yeah, that's it right there. Now let's go ahead and stand it up on the included stand. And I don't know if I'm even doing it right. So let me see. Actually, I wasn't. There you go. There you go. It is, let me get out of the way so you guys can see it. That is it, guys. That is the PlayStation 5 in all its glory. Now, this stand, you do have to screw it on the bottom of the PlayStation 5 so it doesn't move around, but this most likely is going to be the preferred method of me displaying it. So I don't want to lay it down. I don't really have the room for that, so I'm going to have to do it this way. So yes, I will be displaying the Eye of Mordor, style PS5 displayed. It does have these LED lights that light up in the inside, kind of shooting out to here, so I can't wait to see that. I'm gonna go ahead and spend a little bit more time with the PlayStation 5, and then hopefully in a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, I can do a video going over what I think about the PlayStation 5. I'm really excited for the speed that this thing is supposed to have. It's supposed to be lightning fast, going through the UI, games, everything like that. The loading times on games are supposed to be pretty much non-existent. They're not supposed to have any type of loading screens whatsoever. Well, not whatsoever, under a second or 2 seconds or something like that, compared to 30 seconds, 45 seconds on this guy, which I still love to death. We've been through a lot of battles, you and I. But your big brother's here, so relax. Calm it down. All right, so yeah, there it is. Let me know what you guys think of this. Here's the controller once again. You guys can see it. If I can get out of the way. There you go, the controller. Once again, this controller feels amazing. Again, if you haven't seen my unboxing of the DualSense controller, go ahead and check it out. This controller is a lot better than the DualShock 4. Why did they change the name? They should have just kept it. All right, so actually, before we go, I'm gonna go give you guys a little measurement here. It is about 16 inches tall. So compared to something like this, which is 11. So, you know, just the more you know, right there. Go ahead and measure your entertainment center, see if you can fit this on there. All right, guys, this has been Ozzy from Ozzy's Tech and Stuff. I hope you liked the video. If you do, help me out with a like. If you loved it, help me out with a subs, share, all that good stuff, all that YouTube good stuff. Let's go ahead and finish the year off strong, guys. Stay positive, and hope you were able to pick one up. If you were lucky enough to pick one up, I feel extremely fortunate and lucky that Amazon actually came through and delivered it on launch day with no hiccups. So if you did, let me know in the comments. If you don't, let me know if you're looking into picking one up and if you got an Xbox instead. All right, guys, this has been Ozzy. See you on the next one. Peace.